Welcome to 99 Reviews with another interesting video, and today I am going to give a battery review of iOS 18 Public Beta. I have recently downloaded iOS 18 Public Beta and tested battery of iPhone after the update for 2 to 3 days, and then I am here to give you an honest battery review. After updating my iPhone to iOS 18 Public Beta, I have thought it might lose at least 1% battery health, but this time there is no health degrade as my iPhone's health remains the same as it was before. After that, I have tested its battery for around 2 to 3 days as a primary device, and most of my use was on Wi-Fi. But they're not a big difference if we compare Wi-Fi or mobile date. You can see the last 24 hours screen time is around 6 hours 50 mins, and this is better than before. I have seen a clear difference of battery backup, and after the update, I feel battery is standing more than before. This is my personal review, but now let's talk about public reviews. Early adopters of the iOS 18 Public Beta have reported mixed results regarding battery life. Some users have noticed a significant decrease in battery life, while others haven't seen much of a difference. Some users have reported increased battery backup. Compared to iOS 17, 10–20% increase in battery life with iOS 18 Public Beta. Battery life issues seem to be affecting various iPhone models, including the iPhone 13, iPhone 14, and iPhone 15 series. Some users have found success with workarounds like reducing screen brightness, turning off location services, and disabling background app refresh for certain apps. Please note that these findings are based on early reports and may not be representative of the final release. Apple may address battery life concerns in future updates. Keep in mind that beta software is inherently unstable and may cause issues with battery life. If you're concerned, consider waiting for the full release or sticking with the current stable version of iOS. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more.